Hi, I'm Vanessa Frost. I'm the Rehab Centre Manager here at the AECC, and here we have the Primus, which we've been using with one of our 77-year-old female patients who's had 3 knee replacements, one done twice. And what we've been doing with Wendy is working a little bit on strength and stability of the knees using the CPM, continuous passive movement, with a target force protocol that the Primus can provide, and you can see the results here behind me. And the other thing we've been working on is functionally looking at how her gait can be improved. She still has a bit of a fear of falling after having some problems with the stability of her knees after the replacements. So we've been working on particularly eccentric loading of the quads to mimic a walking downhill or down steps type movement, which she's finding incredibly helpful both for confidence and for strength, and therefore overall it's giving us good results in terms of symptom reduction and improvements in functionality.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, the British are on the East Coast and the Germans are on the West Coast of Florida.
Yeah, that's what we said.
She's married to an American now.
I don't drink coffee. And the only time I drink tea is when I'm in China just to drink a lot.
Because apparently they don't drink water out there.
I drink a lot of water.
You drink tea, don't you? Iced
No,
tea.
I try to avoid those things.
Do you?
I don't need any more caffeine in my life.
I'm addicted to this stuff, especially with the amount of like hipster cafes that are popping
I
up.
do a lot of is it going to be a little more?
Good. So up nice and tall and strong through the middle, and feel about those hips and legs doing the work. This is just holding you stable. The work is being done through those hips and knees.
Yes.
Good, and stop there.
You come back.
Nice and slow, slow.
You feel more resistance?
Yes.
Okay.
And once again, there's a little side to side move. So try and almost think about those legs are what are keeping you nice and steady. So they're acting as the brake. This is just nice and strong. The movement's being controlled by the legs.